Hello everyone, my name is Saurav and I'm from Next. Today I am here with a new machine video. Look at this various type of connector. So one is for Wi-Fi, one is for battery pack, one is for like high voltage storage. So particularly for this one, you need this machine. And usually in your industry, in your factory, you may use your hand while you are screwing your connector, right? So no more getting hard while you are screwing your connector. So this is the machine, this is the solution for your industry, for your speed production. So here you can say how it works. Just set it, lock it, and just crash it. Look how easy it is. So again, for tightening your connector, just set it, lock it, just crash it. So no more getting hurt by the connector. No more getting hurt while you are screwing your connector. If you buy this machine, if you have this machine in your industry, in your factory, then your manual labor will be happy to use it. So this is all for today. Contact us if you are interested. Thank you everyone.